What were you want to ask?
Where's the motor?
Where's the motor? It's right there.
Okay.
That's the motor.
And look how much oil leaked.
Why is there oil leaking?
Because we were changing the filters.
Yep, and the oil.
And do you know what Dad did today? This.
What? Yep, got grease on me.
No, this cut.
Oh.
You did it today.
I didn't do that today.
Yes, you did do it today.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, okay. I thought I did it the day after Christmas.
No, you did it today.
Okay. What else did you want to know under here?
Look how much oil leaked.
Yeah, it's leaked a bunch. It holds about 5 quarts, I think.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, why?
Yep.
I'll put it while I can.
No. Any other questions?
Why's there tools in here?
Because this is the drain plug that I pulled out to let the oil out. And I'm waiting for it to drain, and I'm going to pull the filter. That's right here. Look, the filter's right up here.
Really?
Yep, that's the filter.
I touch it?
Sure.
Is it hot?
Nope.
Oh, I got a bunch of stuff on me.
That's part of it. Yep.
Here.
Any other questions?
No.
Okay.
Not money.
All right, let's finish this up, okay?